stern. Strict, serious, firm, and showing little sympathy or softness, severe in attitude or appearance. The principal gave the students a stern warning about cheating. Her father had a stern expression, but he cared deeply for his children. The judge remained stern throughout the trial. Stern comes from the Old English stern, meaning strict, severe, or harsh. A stern person is not necessarily angry, they are simply firm, serious, and disciplined.